Sirena, harness the power of nature.
All right. As we know that in the winters, it's always a problem to have a lot of grit and salt and you name it on the floors. And that's what usually ends up ruining carpets and area rugs and as well as hardwood and ceramics. People, they drag them all over the place with their feet and definitely it's always a mess. And here's the best part about the Sirena. All you have to do is just put a little bit of water up to the minimum level. Take the machine off of the dolly. Put it on. Here we go. 1, 2 clips. Put it back on the dolly. Turn it on. And within seconds, everything that we have on the floor is going to be gone. Everything is going right into the water. You're not pushing it from one place to the next. And the best part is once we get it in the water, we're gonna get rid of the water. So it's gone out of our home once and forever. Why are we able to do that? Because of the airflow. Everybody talks about suction. Suction does not clean. It's all about airflow. And the way our bristles are done, they're cut up, so lots of air, full of air, so it's not only suction. And because of the air, it takes everything into the machine. And what makes the Sirena different is one thing. It never loses airflow. So you can clean from now till tomorrow and you're always going to have plenty of air and no suction. Suction does not clean because you can pick up a bowling ball with suction, but if the air doesn't go through, it's not getting anywhere. So we turn it off. Take it off of the dolly. Remove the hose. And there you go. And all the sand, all the dirt, everything is, as you can see, it's right at the bottom, the salt and everything. So in seconds, you have a clean place, everything is in the water, all you gotta do is just take it and dump it out and it's out of your house and out of your life once and for all. Get a Sirena.